Hey guys, I'm Amanda Corrier, CEO here at Construction Attachments. Today we're doing some cross training and I will be welding.